Welcome to Agile, Scrum Project Management. In this video we will cover how to create a Scrum project, manage backlogs, run sprints, measure team velocity, and review sprint report. Let's start with a project creation, and choose Scrum from the methodology dropdown on the Create Project form. Fill in the other key information, and click on Create. Upon project creation, you will be taken to the Backlog page. Also, if you notice, the left main menu now has a backlog and active sprint options. Backlog is your product wish list, where you can add all new features, enhancements, modifications to existing features, bug fixes, etc. to deliver a robust product. In simple terms, it is an overarching list of all activities that are required to achieve a specific strategic goal via this project. You see a three-dot menu on the top right corner on the backlog page, which is your sprint setting. You can choose whether you want to run your sprints based on story points, original time estimates, or task counts. Ideally, one story point indicates a range of 4 to 12 hours of effort to complete the story successfully. Let us now create a sprint and add tasks to the sprint. It's a good idea to update the sprint goal during sprint creation. Identify the epic, stories, and tasks from the backlog that you would like to cover with this sprint. Select them, and click on Move Tasks to Sprint. If you have more than one sprint, the pop-up will list all sprints for you to choose the one you would like. Now click on Start Sprint. You will be asked to enter the sprint duration. Sprints are ideally 2-week long, and are run with the objective of delivering a workable and acceptable product increment. Now you will be taken to the Active Sprint page, which is your Scrum board. You see the to-do, in progress, and done swim lanes, as per the Scrum methodology. Some notable tips to manage your Scrum board efficiently are as follows. Goals and timing comes first. Hence, based on your sprint duration, you see the number of days remaining for you to complete the sprint at the top. In the next layer you see a series of quick filters for you to refresh the Scrum board with respect to task assignee, task type, task status, last updated, and the sprint dropdown to navigate across multiple active sprints at the same time. Just like Kanban board, you can quick drag and drop tasks from to-do to in progress, and in progress to done, based on the true progress of your sprint tasks. Let us mark a few tasks as done, and leave a few tasks in progress, and click on Complete Sprint. This will show you the incomplete task count, and you will have to move them either to the backlog, or another sprint. It is always preferred to move tasks back to backlog, or sprints that have not started yet. Completing the sprint will redirect you to the sprint report, where you can see an overview of tasks, story points completed, and what were left incomplete. The sprint report comes in handy during sprint review to see what was left, and what needs to be replanned for future sprints. Similarly, let us now go to the velocity chart in the report section. Velocity chart will show your team's actual achievement versus commitment in terms of story points, or task counts, or original time estimates across various completed sprints of a chosen project. Velocity chart gives you a good overview of your team's capabilities in terms of how many story points they are able to complete across sprints. Hence, you can plan the future sprints with a realistic story point count to ensure quality increment is delivered at the end of the sprint. This completes the Agile Scrum project methodology in Orangescrum. Thank you for watching.